Back to hacking the brick. So now, we've met a few times, but we haven't recorded anything. So what we're trying to do now is to tin the tip of these cables so that they stick together and can possibly be used to insert into a breadboard, or we might want to solder a connector to it that can be, or a wire that is more compatible for being used in a breadboard. So solder, heat up the iron, get a little bit on here, and just tip it here so that just a little bit flows on, something like that. So we're going to wait till this iron heats up and then we'll try recording that, but I gotta see what angle I need to do to actually make sense of this. Okay, there. So right there. Okay. Now you will find no expert here. You want to leave it on the roll, because as I found out once before, not putting it on the roll means that when it heats up, you are subject to being heated up too. Okay, so it's starting to get not quite hot enough yet. It's lovely, I'm sure. Close the window. Yep, it's a little chilly. Probably not good for soldering irons. Oh, that's hot. This isn't getting anything. Okay, you want to get it but not burn it? Interesting. Okay, there we go. Go. Oh, great. Solder the solder to the tip. Okay, that's not good. Okay. Don't do as I do. Don't do as I say. Yep. Logged. Okay, so try that again. All right, touch this to this. And then that to that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I want to be sticking that into my breadboard. Right now we're just holding wires together. Attach this to this. Just in case you're wondering, that's heating up awfully quickly. Ooh, okay, that was not good. Okay, plenty experience here. Okay, when you solder, you want to be wearing your goggles because little flips of solder might flick up and you do not want to catch one of those little flicks in your eye. Okay, it's just a matter of sense. Okay, well, that's something. It's not the most beautiful, but I think it's good enough. I don't know. What would John think? I guess that's the question. What would John think? Are we having fun yet?